autograph by Yayo Aguila.
Ha?
And, that's an autograph of Yayo Aguila and
William?
William.
Oh, si Aga wala.
Oo.
Dapat si Aga
They haven't been
imbitahin.
here. And this is the original. And we have our separate may...
Autograph wall.
Yes. Sa 80s meron silang ganyan eh.
Hindi lang makita.
Yeah.
Ayun, ayun, ayun.
There. Here. Yun ang pinaka-shoutout ng 80s, di ba? Shoutout. We have a freedom wall. This is what we call the freedom wall.
Okay. So dapat, ano to, lahat ng guests?
Oh, you can write here.
Okay. Uy! Hello! I like this!
Super Trump! Everybody played that,
Yes.
right? Super Trump.
Super Trump ba yung tawag doon? Basta ako, ano eh, parang hit and miss or something. Or
That's a
higher.
Super Trump, and we
Okay.
have our what? We were featured in different mags.
Okay. At least I have
And who could forget?
this one!
Shades.
Yes, I love that. That's risky business.
Shades, yeah, Shades.
Okay. You watch? Uy, tag! Uy, tag! May tag! May tag kayo?
Yeah.